Hey guys, in this video I want to talk to you about the Stafford gambit. At first move it likes Petrove's defense. We use this opening when we are black. First e4, e5, and f3 and f6, and in e5 and c6 and in c6, d in c6. Here white can have several moves that some of them are destroyer for him. Now we're gonna analyze each one. First e5. As Levi said, it's gonna be a huge mistake. After d3, we do bishop c5. Then if he capture our knight, he gonna lose his queen like this. Or he may resist in this way. But he gonna lose his queen anyway. Watch this. Here's our first moves. What should we do if he play d4 instead of d3? Easy, just put your queen in h4. If he isn't in a good mood, he will play g3. Just capture it with your knight, and after that do this. He gonna lose everything. And this is a review of what I said. You should just practice to memorize it. If he played d3 instead of e5, bc5. If he pin our knight with his bishop, just do this. You're gonna lose it. If he lost his mind and capture your queen, just do this. Check, checkmate. Maybe he knows this and do another move, like d in e4. He gonna lose his queen again. Just watch it. Maybe he knows this too. Don't worry, we're gonna make it. If he played queen e2, just capture his bishop with your queen. After check, bring your king in d8. Look at the rest of the game with best engines move for white. He'll definitely lose. Let's go back to the beginning of the game. We just finished that variant of pinning knight. Another variant. Now watch this. What should we do if white played nc3 after d3? This is destroyer 2. Just do ng5, attack to f2. Several defense. First, qf3. Just do this to capture the rook. Here, check. And he lost his rook like this. Or no, maybe he played be3. It's the best move for white, but still we are better than him. Another variant. These are first moves. White play nc3 without doing d3. Again we should attack to f2 by knight g5. If he castle, just do this. He should play h3 for preventing checkmate. But it's checkmate, not preventable. Just watch it. Check in h3, double check. Check in f2, double check, and checkmate in here. What checkmate? You should know that the best move for white in this position is rook to f1. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. In this variant, white is so cautious. He do h3 to prevent our ng5. Just play h5. After he played be2, do q d4. The plan is bring q in e5 and then qh2. He afraid doing castle. It's destroyer. Just play ng5. If he captured by his pawn, he will checkmate like this. Maybe he see this and he played g3 instead of d3. Again, same plan. Just look at this attack. Capture pawn with your bishop. If he captured by his rook, he will checkmate like this. So he should capture by his king. Check. Again check. What the hell is he going now? If he goes there, in g1 he got checkmate, or in e1 checkmate again. This is a game with very cautious and resistant opponent. After this move, if he play bishop e2, just h5. After he castle, just do ng4. If he capture it, he will checkmate. Maybe he capture with his bishop. Doesn't make any difference. Watch it. The best move for white in this position is e5. Be careful. Just capture with your knight. If you don't do this, you will lose your queen like this. If you capture, you can take back your knight. I tried to do my best in this video, and excuse me if there was any problem in it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please tell me your suggestion in comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.